In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use Chat GPT to help you fix CSS code. This is a tutorial for complete beginners, and this tutorial in a really short format, so you can just find the information and just learn, then continue your learning process. You're learning programming, I'm assuming. So I'm decided to create this tutorial very short. So right off the bat, what you have to do for ChatGPT to give you the results to correct your code, all you have to do is just to write the prompt, can you please, or just tell me what's wrong with this code. But it's always good to say please. Even if it's just an AI, right? So, and then once you write this prompt or along this line, just say something. What's wrong? Correct this code for me. That should work as well. And then just paste your code. This is a very, very simple CSS code. And then Chat GPT will correct your code. The code seems to be correct except for a missing semicolon after the text align center. Probably property in the H1 selector, the correct code should be, and you have the correct code in the right format. This semicolon is always and also telling you what's wrong, and also why you have to use that certain thing, why you should do it that way, and it's telling you the reason behind as well, which I think is very helpful for a beginner. In this instance, we have this semicolon is required to separate different CSS properties within the same selector. Without it, the code may not work as intended. So I really hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.